Many circular projects start off with a magic ring. Amigurumi projects, bags, table, mats, rugs. As long as the project is circular, one of the ways to begin it is by doing a magic ring. And by learning how to do it, you will save yourself a lot of time. So this is my yarn that I'm going to be using. Make sure that you hold your tail end in your dominant hand, and then this side is going to be your working yarn. Now take your tail end and make a circle kind of like that. Now you see the tail end is below the working yarn. The working yarn is on top. Now after doing that, I'm going to hold the joint. You see this joint? That's where I am going to hold. And now I'll take my yarn. This is how I hold my yarn. There are several ways that you can hold your yarn. If you're just a beginner crocheter, you will discover the way that is easy for you to hold your yarn. Now this is how I hold my yarn. I just put it along these fingers. I hold it with these two. You see? I'm holding it down such that I give it a bit of tension, and then I take it and wrap it over my index finger like that. Now I use these two fingers to hold my project. Just doing that again, I take my yarn, put it in between these two fingers, hold it down, wrap it over my index finger like that. And now I take this joint that I've been holding and use this finger and this one to hold my yarn. And then I will take my hook, put it in the ring that I've formed, hook my yarn, pull it through, hook, yarn over and pull through. And my magic circle is done. So I'll continue with the project by crocheting in this magic circle. As I crochet, I make sure I go along with the tail end that I've created. So these are single crochet stitches that I am making in this magic circle, depending on the number of single crochet stitches that you want to make. Then after making that number according to your project, you will just pull the tail end and it will close off the magic circle nicely, and then you will just slip stitch on top of your first loop, just like that, and you will begin your project. So keep practicing how to make this magic ring until you get the hang of it.